Nvidia is at the forefront of some of the most advanced technology in the world today, from graphics processing units, GPUs, to artificial intelligence, AI. But how does this tech giant actually make money? And what lessons can entrepreneurs and business owners take from their strategy? Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down Nvidia's business model, financial performance, and key revenue streams, all in a way that's easy to understand and apply to your own business. Founded in 1993, Nvidia has grown from a small startup focused on gaming hardware to a global leader in GPU design and AI technology. Nvidia designs and manufactures graphics processing units, or GPUs, which are essential for a wide range of applications from gaming to machine learning. Nvidia's GPUs aren't just for high-performance gaming. They power everything from data centers and AI research to autonomous vehicles. But the company doesn't just make money from selling hardware. Its business model is much broader and smarter than that. Nvidia's business is broken down into 5 major segments: gaming, data center, professional visualization, automotive, and OEM. Each of these contributes to Nvidia's revenue, but the company's core strength lies in its ability to dominate high-margin industries through innovation. In 2023, Nvidia's total revenue was approximately $26.9 billion, with the gaming and data center segments making up over 80% of that total. Let's break down each segment to understand how Nvidia makes money. First, let's talk about gaming, which brought in around $9 billion in 2023. Nvidia dominates the gaming GPU market with its GeForce line of graphics cards. These GPUs are essential for high-performance gaming, especially in competitive esports, where frame rate and graphics quality can make all the difference. Nvidia's margins in this segment are incredibly strong. Selling GPUs for gaming hardware yields a gross margin of around 65 to 70%, thanks to the company's ability to charge premium prices for high-performance chips. Next is data centers, Nvidia's fastest-growing segment, responsible for $15 billion in revenue in 2023. Data centers use Nvidia's A100 and H100 GPUs for AI workloads, machine learning, and deep learning. Data centers need GPUs that can handle massive computational tasks for AI, scientific research, and cloud computing. This sector has gross margins of 60 to 65%, but more importantly, it's growing at an annual rate of nearly 40%. Nvidia's dominance in this space comes from not only hardware sales, but also software solutions. Now let's look at some of Nvidia's smaller, but still important revenue streams. The professional visualization segment, which generated around $1.6 billion in 2023, supplies GPUs for industries like architecture, 3D modeling, and animation. Think of visual effects in movies, product design, and simulations. Nvidia's Quadro GPUs make these tasks possible. Automotive is another growing segment, though still small, bringing in $903 million in 2023. Nvidia supplies hardware and software for autonomous vehicles, collaborating with companies like Tesla and Mercedes-Benz. While this segment only represents about 3% of Nvidia's total revenue, its potential for future growth is enormous as the industry moves toward fully autonomous driving. Lastly, the OEM, original equipment manufacturer, and IP licensing segment, which includes licensing out Nvidia's technology to other manufacturers, brought in $1.4 billion in 2023. While not a major driver of Nvidia's overall profitability, it helps sustain relationships with other hardware manufacturers and brings in steady, albeit smaller, streams of income. Now let's dive into Nvidia's financials. With $26.9 billion in revenue for 2023, Nvidia's cost of goods sold, COGS, came to approximately $9 billion. This leaves them with a gross profit of roughly $17.9 billion, which translates to a gross margin of about 66.5%. Operating expenses, including R&D and marketing, totaled around $7 billion, leading to an operating income of roughly $10.9 billion. Nvidia's operating margin stands at an impressive 40%, thanks to its high-margin business and efficient cost structure. After taxes and other expenses, Nvidia's net income for 2023 was around $9 billion, giving them a net margin of about 33.5%, a strong figure for any business. So what can entrepreneurs and business owners learn from Nvidia's business model? First, Nvidia's success comes from diversifying its revenue streams. While gaming remains the core of their business, they've expanded into data centers, professional visualization, and automotive, all high-growth industries. Second, Nvidia focuses on high-margin segments. Both gaming and data centers have gross margins above 60%, allowing the company to reinvest in R&D and stay ahead of the competition. Finally, Nvidia has mastered the art of leveraging innovation. Their continuous investment in AI and cutting-edge technology keeps them at the forefront of a rapidly evolving industry, ensuring long-term growth. Nvidia's business model is a blueprint for how companies can scale and grow in highly competitive industries. Whether you're an entrepreneur or business owner, there's a lot to learn from how Nvidia balances innovation with profitability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to Money Frontline.